Hi, WordPress users. Do you want to put filterable table in WordPress post or page? You can easily create your searchable table through AJAX technology. Here is how. Just open your code editor or notepad and write HTML basic structures. Now we put AJAX library in HTML head within script tag. We have already created a table. Now we just paste a HTML table code within the body tag. Now create a search field above the table with a unique ID. Now add the ID in the table body. After that, paste our AJAX code and in the head tag and replace with your table body ID and input search field ID. Copy your whole HTML code and paste into the WordPress post or page under HTML block. And now click Publish button. That's it. Your table will turned into filterable table. Please check video description for this code. Thanks for watching for our video. Please subscribe to our channel for more video related to WordPress and don't forget to click the bell icon.